Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we invite you to discover Wago. Shop now and get a free tool bag. Wago is your trusted partner for cutting-edge connection and automation solutions, providing reliability and quality. With a versatile range from connectors to smart solutions, it covers all your industrial and home automation needs while ensuring effortless efficiency. Now's the perfect time to try Wago products. If you spend over 2,000 euros on Wago products, you will get a premium tool bag for free. Available while stocks last, so grab yours before it's gone. The bag is made from durable materials to keep your tools safe and neatly organized. It's the perfect accessory for electricians, maintenance staff, and technicians. The bag is also compatible with the L-Box Mini series. Take advantage of this limited time offer. This exclusive deal is available only at SOS Electronic. On top of that, we invite you to get an exclusive kit for professionals. It is a handy bundle of 5 professional Wago products that consists of splicing connectors, insulation stripping pliers, a universal cable stripper, and a set of 3 flat screwdrivers, all packed in the tool bag. If you are interested in more information about Wago products, or if you need technical advice, contact us at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to assist you.